Hi, this is Chris Cowie. I'm a unit owner in 119, and I've put together this presentation for the design committee's consideration. It's my attempt to take what I understand to be the vision for the existing uh, meeting room or clubhouse building at the entrance to the Foxhall, and this is a view of the existing building. The main entrance is facing the loading dock area and the parking area, and then there's an apartment entrance that's on this facade as well. So that's the existing meeting room, existing apartment. The building has a roof structure that has one load-bearing wall and then the perimeter load-bearing. That load-bearing wall should remain. The other interior walls could be removed. And I believe the design intent considered for this building currently is to provide a new, more inviting entrance facing out towards Massachusetts Avenue that would be on grade. The existing entrances have steps and are not accessible and also face the loading dock. And this area for a new entrance has the potential with these existing windows to be a nice indoor outdoor space. So that's sort of the existing condition and orientation, and it's what I call phase one. If I go to phase two and show complete, now I'm showing a new entrance to a vestibule, some outdoor seating area with sort of the transparency inside out. I also wanted to show, if I go back to my section box, I want to show the sort of a cut through the building. And let me go back to phase one, which is the existing, show all. So the existing building, as I said, you have a main entrance here from the loading dock area to a big meeting room. You have two bathrooms that are small that don't meet ADA accessibility compliance. You have a small kitchenette and some storage rooms. And then you enter through this other door over here and you come into what was, I believe, originally a model apartment to show prospective buyers a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and two bedrooms and some closets. All of these walls are non-load bearing and could easily be removed, and the one load bearing wall should remain. And I would suggest this utility room that has the electric and water service also remain. And then if I go to phase two, show complete. Now we have a new entrance to a new vestibule area, reception area, and then you come into the main, what's now the meeting room, and that could be used as a multi-purpose room with a bar at one end for socializing, an area for the board to have a table and chairs that I'll show in a minute, a living room environment. The existing utility room stays, some outdoor seating with this indoor-outdoor space, and then behind the bar would be potentially a pantry, kitchenette area for food prep or beverage prep or whatever, a men's and women's ADA compliant bathroom, a service entrance where the existing entrance is, the utility room. There's space for some storage and for another smaller, more intimate meeting space to play cards and lounge. I then take that concept into another program called Lumion, And in this program, I can show the orientation of Massachusetts Avenue, the parking and loading area. And let me zoom down here. So the existing entrances here to what was the apartment and the meeting room can remain as sort of service entrances. And then a more inviting entrance can be created that's on grade with a more transparent new storefront in the exterior wall that would come into the vestibule. And then the outdoor area right now, this is all mounded up, and I think there's drainage issues and sort of overgrown areas that could be regraded and cleaned up to present a nice outdoor space that has some nice transparency and connection to the indoor space. And then the indoor space, as I was describing, can accommodate multiple functions, one of which can be board meetings, committee meetings, association meetings. When there's the need to have more of an audience, the furniture could be rearranged and additional chairs could be provided here. Kind of the fun social bar area. And then the balance of the space could be flexible with furniture to create a more living room-like environment with some transparency to the inside and outside. So then if I come back out to the front and walk in the new front door that faces Massachusetts Avenue, I enter into a nice reception lobby area, and I can go to the left and go past the bar and back into the main meeting room. And then the balance of the space accommodates a smaller, more intimate meeting room to play cards, a lounge space with a couch. And that then, if I go through this door or opening, I come into what could be some storage space, and then I get a hallway that circulates and returns back to the main meeting room. And then there's a men's room and a women's room that's ADA compliant. I have the service entrance over here, the door to the pantry, and then that pantry is sort of hidden back behind the bar area. So that just gives kind of a quick overview of the what I believe is the design committee's current vision to have a creative, adaptive reuse of this building. And then I have also prepared a PDF file that has the existing plan with the meeting room and the apartment, the walls that could be demolished, and then the new layout, and then just a couple of snapshots, and then also some 3D views of two different views of the existing with the demolition and the proposed. So I think that ends what I wanted to present. I just wanted to put this in words. It's a little bit easier to go through. I hope that's helpful. Thank you.